What's up, everybody? This is Brant off of Gibson Outdoors. I know it's been a while, okay? I've been focusing before school came back, so now that school's back in, I'm gonna try to post more videos on the weekend. But if you're wondering where I am, you can see we're about to fish the creek. We got a little ugly stick set up, Walmart. This is all this right here, what I have on here. I just got, if I can grab it. Hold on. I just got a little tail. See that? And a little sinker, 1/2 ounce. So we're gonna set you right here on the reel. I know it's a little weird of a setup, but yeah. So this is gonna be, of course, a live fishing. So I'm gonna cast this and I'm gonna pick y'all back up. If I get a bite this first time, that'll be crazy. But they're already nipping at me. Throw it. Oh, they messed it up. Let me fix this real quick, y'all. Sorry that it's gonna not be a great cut video. Not very good at editing. So. Okay, we're gonna cast this and we're gonna give y'all a good view. Oh, they're already biting. Oh, that's a big boy. It's a little creek chub. They're chasing it. They're chasing it, bro. No bite. I'm gonna sit y'all back down. I'm sorry for the poor filming footage, but it's just a bit of a problem right now. Well, I'm gonna try to see if I can get a bite real quick. Oh, they're coming to it. They won't give me any action. Like, they're coming behind me. All I'm really fishing for right here is suckers and creek chubs. After this, if this don't work, oh, snagged. Ooh. After this, we're gonna run back up to the house if this don't work. We got some bread we're gonna try if this don't work. They're following me. Oh, he spit it out! One ate it! Right, one ate it! He spit it out! Bro, literally, you can look. He spit it out. Oh my gosh. It would have been crazy. It would have been my first ever creek fish. He even messed up the hook. He ate it. Like, he gobbled that thing. Hopefully they'll keep doing this. And we may take some of these fish and stock them in the pond if I can get any to bite. Perfect. Jig that. Hey, bye. I'm gonna get smacked. I see a big old creek chub. What? Man, that's a bad cast right there, buddy. Perfect. Jig it. Oh, he spit it out again. These fish are really liking this lure. And this isn't even a full lure. If we're just like that. Eat it. Eat it. Ow! Bro, came off. I just set the hook. Maybe I shouldn't set the hook so hard on a minnow. Sorry, y'all. Right there, big and big and big and. Bite me, bro. Bite me. Bite me. I see where. Oh, that's a giant. Curve it. Eat it. My brother, eat it. Is that a snapping turtle? I think I see a snap. Is that an alligator? Oh my gosh, it's an alligator snapping turtle. I'm gonna cast it right back in this hole. Perfect, perfect. Now let it jig right there. He's coming. He sees it. Did he take it? No, he didn't take it. It won't bite me anymore. I got bit one time. And he bit me like a bastard. They're on it. It's illegal to snag. So. Yes. I like that double. He spit it out! They're about to pull this thing off the hook. They're messing with us so much. Just they can't take it. So mad. Go try it like that again. I'm gonna try to catch snapping turtle. I'll just pass, y'all. This cast is gonna be better than a professional bass fisherman. Something giant just ate that. Oh my gosh! These hook sets are terrible. Should check on that little boy. Yeah, something ate him. Well, he's halfway up the hook again. Cameraman's not working today, so sorry about the footage. Y'all been sitting on the ground like 3 minutes. I wanted to kind of, not exactly copy, but Kendall Gray, y'all know how, some of y'all know how he has that GoPro stick. Wanted to kind of copy that for y'all, but I thought it'd be kind of wrong to copy. Chunker. That's a chunker. Oh my gosh, there's a chunker on my hook. Chunker. You eat me, bro. I look so tasty. You are not taking that thing off the hook, boy. Go down here and we're gonna get him. What's going on? Why is this pole not working? It's probably why you don't buy a $17 pole from Walmart. Oh, I just need a funnel line. Why are they trying to eat the sinker? Boys are trying to eat the sinker, but they won't eat my hook. Bro, there was some. He's trying to eat it. Did bro just take it off? I thought bro just took it off my hook. Now we're gonna cast under this rock. See if we can get a bite from an alligator snapping turtle. Something. I spooked something, dude. Maybe I should let this sit a minute. Look at the top of the water. No luck again. How come Guggen does more with having eaten me on the side of their fishing lure and I can't do no better? Just saying, eat me. What keep flying on me? Look, that fly is bigger than my kneecap. OP cast. No! I'm snagged. Now I messed my line up being snagged. Oh! Well, y'all, we may be done fishing. Fishes, if you just want to dip me. I think we may have to cut the line. When I'm devoured my soft plastic. I'm gonna do a trick a wise man once taught me. Yeah, now my pole's stuck down there too. I don't want to do it, but I'm gonna have to do it. I may have to go down there and get this. Okay, y'all. We get snake bit, we done. Is there not just a big stick I can grab that with? It was my idea. I'm sorry. It's kind of dumb, but usually it works when you send the pole at it. It just shoots out the rocks. You know, could just get a bigger fishing pole. I'll tell you what we're gonna do. We gonna go back to the house. Wasn't a go, but I'm glad I just didn't cut the line. Do I really want to go down there? I do, but do I remember to get snake bit? Okay. Keep me in your prayers. You cannot tell me a snake's not in that hole. Do I really have to do this? No, now there's a yellow jacket there. I think I'm gonna pass. We're gonna figure this out, y'all. The only thing I can think to do is not let this hurt me and keep fishing. Or I could let this hurt me. Definitely next time we'll probably go bread tech. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna end this video with this. Hit that subscribe button if you like these videos and want to see more. And if you like this content, go down there and hit that like button too. I'll see y'all later. This is a Bad Creek memory. Bye-bye.